Hello everyone, so here is Soul app, which is going viral right now. It's in the top charts and social media apps in US App Store. And this is one of, I think, like metaverse apps where basically you can create your avatar and you can hang out with people. You can do audio calls, you can do virtual parties, just meet, follow some other people, have like all these soul camps and all of that. Just in the virtual world. You don't need to upload your real picture and all of that. So I will just show you exactly. So this is the app. It's called Soul. And in this video, we'll go through the app together. So let's try to explore all the features and like how to use this app, and basically for the beginners. Oh, it's not loading. Anyways, yeah, just search for Soul in the App Store and that should be it. So let's go through the app. So basically, when you create an app, you can sign up with Apple ID or with your email or anything. And then you are asked a bunch of questions to identify your profile and your personality. So I think there are like 8 questions which identify on which planet you are. So then you are defined like as realist or like something like that. So for example, in my occasion, I was realist. Then this type is mediator. Then you have this profile is also mediator. So it depends. And then you can just go to all these profiles which are like on the planets. So you can see this is an advocate. And then you can just chat with that person like here. You can just send a wave. But of course you need an impressive bio to reach a response rate of more than 89%. So you can just chat here. You can pin this chat to top. You can report, block, all of that. You can send images, send voice messages, send gifts, something like that. Then you can also what you can do here is
I see you every day, dreaming about the things that I would say. Tuesday and you look my way.
It means that this app will recommend someone who has a high match with you. So like, of course, you answered like 8 questions and they identified your profile. So now you can get a match based on that. So here it is. And then this app recommends you to chat. You get like 10 free matches and then I guess you need to upgrade. So here there is something like Planet Boost. So I guess, I don't know, if you have a Planet Boost, then you will be displayed as a planet like this, and your profile will be highlighted in this home feed, which looks some like solar system or some galaxy or something like that. Then there is a filter. You can just figure out. So you can then just filter which gender you want to meet with, and there you have it. So that's basically the galaxy here. Then you can reach out and participate in audio calls. So this app is kind of like also random audio call. This app, and you can just chat with random people here. So there is this feature. Then there is virtual party. So there is just like online community with people. It's not super crowded at the moment. There are like all the different languages. You can request to take the mic, you can mute your microphone, you can turn on your microphone again. And this is like a clubhouse or Twitter spaces where different people just talk, and you can also send messages and send gifts and all of that. So that's basically the idea here. Then you can create a post. So you can write something here. You can again add voice messages, images, photos, different tags. You can add a hashtag like that. So you can just right here and then just something like that, and then you can just post it. So then it's like a social feed, it's like Instagram or Twitter. You can see all the pictures here. So I need to say this app is not that scammy. So there are like real people, especially a lot of teenagers who hang out here. There aren't many like spam or scam here. However, I wasn't asked to be verified, nothing like that. But so far it looks mostly legit. It's like a nice place to hang out. And here you will see all your chat messages in the bottom right part. So here you will see some messages from Soul support. There are also some cool games here, some features which you can see, which you can discover. So that's actually super cool. And then there is your account. Here it is. That's your account. Then there are settings. Then there is like your personal info. In create avatar, you can actually create your avatar. To create an avatar, you need some coins. So if you want to, like, if I want to wear a cap, then I will need, or like this kind of hair, I will need 80 coins. But for this kind of hair, I don't need coins. So it just depends like what you need and all of that. So that's basically it. That's your personal info. You can add tags. You can check out your nickname, check out your date of birth, gender, region, introduction. So you can just write something here, just include some emojis. Then there is your account. From here it's very convenient if you want to delete your account and data. Some apps try to really hide this option to delete your account. But in this app you can just tap delete and then follow the instruction and delete your account. You can also log out. There is like membership, there is language, notifications, privacy, user management, then there is general mode. You can delete archive, so it's the same as clearing cache, so you can do that. If you want dark mode or light mode, you can just enable it here. So it's also really useful. Just change language. These are the languages available. Of course, these are not all languages available existing, but they are here. You can hide your followers, following visitor numbers, and here is your block list where you block users. And then there is like help and support. So there is like user guide, feedback, FAQ, customer service. So Soul operation will reply to inquiry here. So that's basically that. And there is a collection wall. I don't know what that is. Then here it is. And then there is also explore tab, where you can follow someone, and then you can see all their like stuff there and just messages, your activity. So that's basically the app. It's kind of like interesting place to hang out. Also, I didn't mention to you there are like Soul quiz, different tests which you can still take. Like if you're a dog, what kind of dog are you? How do you feel about being around children? And how do you feel in social situation? So there you have it, and then you will see you're a special person, you are a bulldog. And then yeah, that's about it. So that's that. So there you have it. That's an overview. And then there is Soul Cam, which basically is like your camera, where you can add some emojis, and you can also try out that feature. But in a nutshell, that's the apps. These are the main features, so definitely try it out. Interesting place to hang out. It's not like Instagram or TikTok or some other social medias, but it's a fun place. Try it out if you want some refreshment in your social media journey. So thank you for watching, guys. Please support me on mrhack.io and follow my blog.